Hey, you own a landscaping company, you work for a landscaping company. Would you like to put together $100,000 projects? Do you want to learn all the different tips and tricks of the industry? Are you tired of the free estimates? Well, I'm Josh Luck, and I'm super excited to share with you that we are going to be hosting a 5-day class workshop event where we're going to be educating and training landscape business owners, landscape contractors on the basics behind sales, design, construction, and all of the tips and techniques that go along with putting together $100,000 projects. All things landscape, hardscape, outdoor living, water features, fire features, construction applications. We're going to be hosting a workshop to bring contractors in and really show them how we do, why we do, and what we do here at Luck Landscaping. We have been blessed to grow for the last 16 years in this industry and now service some amazing clients, putting some amazing projects together. We're going to be sharing our story, our knowledge, and our insight into what has worked well for our company as we have turned from a run-of-the-mill landscape mowing and mulching company to a high-end landscape design and construction company. Everything from design to sales to customer service to the implementation and construction of some amazing projects. Water, fire, landscape lighting, hardscaping, outdoor living, construction. These jobs truly have it all. We're going to go from classroom to workshop to real life application. That means we're going to be in somebody's backyard putting together an amazing project where you get the opportunity to learn hands-on while building in the real world. You know how many times I've heard, hey, go shoot grade and string that line, and seen heads turning and heads spinning. Until somebody trains you and teaches you, and until you have a general understanding of the tools, the tips, and the tricks, how can you confidently go out there and sell landscaping projects? It is my heart, my passion, my desire to make sure that when you come to this class, you are confident in knowing the tools, knowing how to use the tools, knowing how they operate, getting comfortable with the equipment. We're going to be teaching how to string a line, how to shoot elevation. We're going to be showing you how to run an excavator, how to run a skid steer, how to repair that irrigation line that you hit. We're going to show you how to design with 3D UVision landscape design software. I'm going to walk you through a real life rendering and design. So by the time you're done with our class, you feel confident in using the tools and using the techniques so you yourself can go out and build some amazing projects. Hey, are you tired of free estimates? Yeah, so were we. Until we made the decision that we no longer were going to provide any free estimates. You're like, that's crazy. How did that work for you? Well, I'm going to tell you exactly how, step by step. Now, when we get phone calls, we have a script that we follow, a system that we follow that has proven great results for our company. We no longer are showing up as estimators. Now we're showing up as consultants. We're showing up as educators. We're showing up as designers. If you want to make a niche in this landscaping industry, if you want to design outdoor living spaces, you have got to be done with free estimates. Then we're going to build your script so you can, step by step, have a system and process to when your phone rings, you know exactly what to say, why to say it, the right questions to ask to lead to greater results. Looking back, some of these systems and processes have been a turning point for our company. We want to share them firsthand with you. This is a brotherhood. A wise man once told me a rising tide raises all ships. I think if we could set a higher standard and bar in the landscaping industry, we all grow together. When we all get better together, we all benefit from it. At this class and course, we're going to set the standard for where the bar should be when it comes to landscaping, design, and construction.
It's a lifetime brotherhood because, it's one thing to learn this stuff and, maybe we might come to the class and we start feeling confident, but, we haven't sold a job for a month or so. And then you finally get on the job and you're like, I kind of forget what they said about this part. And now we have a brotherhood we can connect with, be like, hey, how do I do this again? That way you still have the confidence to keep going, because if there's something that you're missing or you're just not in it, you can't figure it out, you got people there to help you, people that just have your back.
So if you are a little confused, a little overwhelmed, or just say, hey, I need to further my education in this industry, this class is for you. See the information below.